Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make stickers on WhatsApp. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. Make sure that you are logged in with your account. You can head over to any chats. Once you're in the chat page, here you can see the emoji icon at the bottom left corner. Tap on it. Now it will let you select different emojis and GIFs. You can see the sticker icon over here. Tap on it. Here you will find different stickers that you can use from. But in order to make your own sticker, here you can see the create option. Tap on it. Now you can choose any photo from your gallery from which you want to make a sticker. For example, I'll choose this photo randomly. Once it creates the sticker for you, you can even edit it. You can add text over here. You can add more stickers. You can draw any lines over here. So after you customize your stickers and once you are done, you can tap on the send button. And there you go, you have successfully made a sticker on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.